In today's fast-paced world, where time is often of the essence, the need for emergency notary services has become increasingly relevant. Whether it's a last-minute real estate closing, an urgent legal document that requires notarization, or an unexpected situation that necessitates immediate attention, understanding the ins and outs of emergency notary services can be invaluable. Firstly, let's clarify what a notary public is. A notary public serves as an impartial witness to the signing of important documents, helping to deter fraud and ensuring the integrity of the signing process. While traditional notary services may operate within standard business hours, emergency notary services step in to fill the gap when time is of the essence. These services are designed to accommodate urgent requests, often outside of regular business hours or on short notice, providing a crucial lifeline for individuals and businesses alike. When considering emergency notary services, the first thing to understand is the availability of notaries. Many notaries are flexible and willing to travel to meet clients at their convenience, whether it's at a home, a hospital, a business office, or even a coffee shop. This flexibility is essential in urgent situations where individuals may be unable to travel due to health issues, time constraints, or other unforeseen circumstances. It's important to communicate your needs clearly when reaching out to an emergency notary, as this helps them prepare for your specific situation. Another key aspect to consider is the types of documents that can be notarized. Common documents requiring notarization include contracts, wills, power of attorney forms, loan documents, and real estate transactions. However, it's crucial to note that not all documents can be notarized in every state. Each jurisdiction has its own rules and regulations regarding what can be notarized and the requirements for each document. Therefore, when seeking emergency notary services, ensure that the notary you engage is familiar with the laws in your state and can provide the necessary guidance. Cost is another factor that cannot be overlooked. Emergency notary services may come with a premium price tag due to the urgency and convenience they offer. It's wise to inquire about pricing upfront to avoid any surprises later on. Some notaries may charge a flat fee for their services, while others may have additional travel fees or charges for after-hours appointments. Understanding the fee structure before engaging a notary can help you budget accordingly and make informed decisions. Moreover, it's essential to verify the credentials of the notary you choose. In the United States, notaries must be commissioned by the state, and they are required to adhere to specific ethical standards and guidelines. You can often find information about a notary's credentials through state notary public databases or professional organizations. Ensuring that the notary is properly licensed and in good standing is vital to ensuring that your documents are notarized correctly and legally. In addition to checking credentials, consider the notary's experience and expertise. Some notaries specialize in specific areas, such as real estate transactions, legal documents, or medical forms. If your situation involves a particular type of document, seeking out a notary with experience in that area can provide additional peace of mind. Experienced notaries are often familiar with the nuances of various documents and can help guide you through the process, ensuring that all necessary steps are followed. Communication is also a critical component of emergency notary services. When you reach out for assistance, be prepared to provide detailed information about your needs. This includes the type of document that requires notarization, the location where you need the notary to meet you, and any time constraints you may have. Clear communication helps the notary understand your situation and ensures that they arrive prepared to assist you effectively. In some cases, you may encounter notaries who offer mobile services, which can be particularly beneficial in emergency situations. Mobile notaries bring the notary services directly to you, eliminating the need for travel and saving precious time. This can be especially advantageous for individuals who are unable to leave their homes, such as the elderly, those with disabilities, or individuals recovering from medical procedures. When searching for emergency notary services, consider whether the notary offers mobile services and what their coverage area is. Furthermore, it's wise to have all necessary documents prepared and ready for notarization. This includes ensuring that the documents are complete, signed where required, and that all parties involved are present for the notarization process. Having everything in order can expedite the process and help avoid any delays. If you're unsure about the requirements for notarization, don't hesitate to ask the notary for guidance. They are there to assist you and ensure that everything is handled correctly. Lastly, it's important to recognize that while emergency notary services can be incredibly helpful, they should not be relied upon as a substitute for planning ahead. Whenever possible, it's advisable to schedule notary services in advance, especially for important documents that require notarization. However, life is unpredictable, and emergencies do happen. In those moments, having a reliable emergency notary service can make all the difference. In conclusion, emergency notary services play a vital role in facilitating the timely notarization of important documents. By understanding the availability, costs, and requirements of these services, you can navigate urgent situations with confidence. Remember to check credentials, communicate clearly, and prepare your documents to ensure a smooth notarization process. While it's always best to plan ahead, knowing that emergency notary services are available can provide peace of mind in times of uncertainty. In a world where every minute counts, having access to these services can save you time, stress, and potentially significant complications.